Now that you see how powerful a ChatGPT app can be, a lot of entrepreneurs ask me, do I need to learn coding to build a ChatGPT app? 2 years ago, the answer was yes, but today the answer is no. We've entered what I call a vibe coding era. The hardest part about building software is no longer coding, but to have a great idea and figuring out what to build. With tools like Fractal, the hardest entry has collapsed. I personally have built and launched working apps in under 15 minutes. But here's what this should really mean to you as an entrepreneur. Even though you don't have to code anymore, you still need three things. First, you need empathy. You need to understand where the user feels the frictions and where the current experience falls short. Let me give you an example. So here I asked ChatGPT, give me a color palette for baby website. It give me text, hex codes, descriptions, but I don't know what these colors actually look like. I don't want to read about colors, I want to see them. So here I built an app that I can actually see the color visually. So this color blush pink, soft rose, warm cream, light taupe, and charcoal gray. When I asked ChatGPT to display this color using this app that I make using Fractal, I can see what the color looks like. This is extremely useful for me. That's understanding the gap between what exists and what should exist. Second, you need logic. You need to know how to describe exactly what you need and what the system to do. You can't just say, hey, make it work. You need to break out a step, you need to think through the flow, and you need to decide what you want to build. In the next sessions, I will show you specific prompt strategies to turn your idea into working app. Third, you may need data. If your app relies on your own information, like your product catalog, your video library, your content, you need that data ready. You can either have them in a spreadsheet or you can have them accessible via an API. Now, if you're building something highly complex and you're not technical, you probably want to hire a consultant. But for the vast majority of use cases, content, e-commerce, productivity helpers, most likely you can build this yourself. The tooling is finally good enough that you can go from ideas to live app in minutes, not months. In the next video, I am going to prove it to you.